Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 10th of April, 2021, and it's the weekly analysis for the euro, the cable, and the Aussie dollar for the second week of April. And across all these three majors, the euro is the one that has recovered the most, while the cable has weakened, while the Aussie dollar has just mainly gone sideways for the week. Let's take a look at the euro first. And let's zoom in. It managed to find support from this support level at the 38 fib on the larger time frame and climb up all the way throughout the week until Friday, where it just consolidated and just at the 119 level. So this was the resistance zone that has managed to break through. That's at the 62 fib area, and attempting to get up to the daily 55 EMA at 119.45. It could also try to reach the 50 fib retracement area of this swing move up. And that was the support area just below the 78.6 retracement of this swing, and has recovered back up to the 62 fib. Now trying to reach the 50 fib retracement area, where there's some resistance up here, just below the strong psychological resistance area at 120. All right, so let's extend this one here at the 120. We'll see if there's going to be a pullback below this 119 area. And let's also set the temporary intermediate resistance. This area, the 50 fib is one. There's also another one at the daily 55, but this will be a strong one here at the 50 fib, 119.76. So the euro has managed to recover more than the cable, as the US dollar has retreated further, as well as the dollar Swiss and the other US dollar majors. There's only a couple of relatively minor news this week. There's the German ZEW and the Eurozone ZEW economic sentiment figure, and also on Friday the final CPI, followed by the Eurozone meetings. All right, let's also take a look at the US dollar index to see how it is closely inversely correlated with the euro. And after reaching the 50 fib retracement area, I mentioned last week that this could be a turning point, and it has retraced and targeting this support zone now at the previous swing low. And where the daily 55 is coming up to as well. So this will be a critical support area and turning point area. We'll see if it's going to weaken further. If it does, then this could be a major turning point. But we'll see as we go along over the next couple of weeks in April. All right, let's move on to the cable. And this week as well, there's only UK GDP figure, which is now fairly minor related news. And I had drawn this potential bullish channel, and on Monday it has hit it and retraced straight away the following day and all the way back down for the week until it found support at the 137 and the 50 pip retracement area at the support zone. So it has fallen below this bullish channel, pulled back to retest it, and then fell further. So we'll see if there's a further bearish momentum to go even deeper for deeper retracement, perhaps down to retest this swing lows here towards the next fib retracement area. We can also maybe too early, but we'll see how it goes in this bearish move down. Okay, see whether it continues further down towards the 136 area. So this could be a potentially significant bearish channel. And this is already about a 200 pip range. All right. So let's see whether it drifts further lower. At the moment, there's support here. The next support will likely be at this previous weekly S3 pivot area. That's just below 136. You can also mark an intermediate level here at 136. Okay, let's mark this next support area. All right, so we'll see if it's going to find support and bounce up to retest the 138, or whether it's just going to drift lower into this 136 level, or perhaps even deeper into the 62 fib. All right. All right, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. And there was no change in interest rate last week from the RBA, and nothing has changed significantly in their policies. So it basically just went neutral for the week and just going sideways inside this slightly bullish channel, but it's looking more like a bear flag here. So at some point there could be a turn and a further weakness, and perhaps if it breaks the support zone at this swing low at 75.60 area, then it could target the 0.7500 area. So it needs some trigger to help it to climb above the daily 55. Otherwise, there could be further weakness here. Thursday, there's the jobs report from Australia, but other than that, no other major news. So it's struggling to find support around this area at 0.76 and this lower channel trend line. So it will be a critical period for over the next week. See where the Aussie is heading to. The monthly pivot is also sitting right near the daily 55 EMA, so it needs a strong breakthrough if it's going to climb higher. Okay, so do check out my other videos on Ichimoku analysis and spot gold and dollar yen as well. Have a safe week and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.